Hey everybody, it's John with GreenKey. I'm coming at you from the mountains of Southwest Virginia, where we just installed 5 universal Tesla wall connectors at a hotel, and just wanted to show y'all what it looked like. We've been here for the last couple days, and I think it turned out pretty well. So here's our first one. They had already had EV chargers here, so we kind of had to work with what they had. We took that one off. We installed a cable retractor to keep the cord off the ground, and got that set up. It's set up at 32 amps because it's on a 40 amp circuit. The original charger was a 32 amp charger. And you can see, got the instructions there for if you drive a non-Tesla EV, so you can still use it. The cool thing about the Tesla universal wall connectors is that they can either be NACS, or if you drive a J1772, you just push the other button and J1772. So very functional, very cost-effective option. Tesla manages these right now for 3 cents per kilowatt hour, which is a fantastic price for that service. So if you're not using the charger, you don't have to pay them, which is awesome. Here's our second pedestal. We have 2 chargers on it. They are splitting 100 amp circuits. They're both set up at 40 amps. Again, EV chargers are continuous power, so the circuit has to be 125% of the charger's setting for amperage. So 40 amps each charger, that's 80 amps total. The circuit is 125% of 80, which is 100 amps. And then we did have to come through just a little bit right here. They came out of the building right there originally, but we have 2 on this pedestal as well. This one's protected by a bollard, that one's protected by the stairs. And to get these connected, we had to have Wi-Fi. Couldn't use the hotel's Wi-Fi, so we set up a cellular router and have our own Wi-Fi network for these 6 chargers. Pretty cost-effective option. They don't send a lot of data, so you can buy a prepaid SIM card that'll cover you for a year at a pretty low cost. So that's all we have for this commercial installation. We look forward to seeing you next time. Hope you have a great one, and remember that God loves you. That's why he sent his son Jesus to die for you and for me. Y'all take care.